Chiquita Brooks-LaSure, and after graduating from Princeton and then getting a Master of Public Policy from Georgetown, she started in the Office of Management and Budget, where she was Medicaid analyst. Shortly thereafter, she began managing policy related to the Affordable Care Act. She then managed the health division for one of the nation's largest law firms, and is currently the administrator for the Centers of Medicare and Medicaid under Joe Biden. And regardless of your political affiliation, you cannot deny that this woman was made for this job. She literally started from the bottom and worked her way up. She is supremely qualified to do this job. Now, this is Seema Verma, and she was the administrator under the first Trump administration, and the very first thing she did when she was appointed was to send a letter to the nation's governors, urging them to introduce insurance premiums for Medicaid, charge Medicaid recipients for emergency room visits, and require employment or job training as a requirement for Medicaid coverage. There are people on Medicare and Medicaid who physically cannot work. He was also supportive of Donald Trump, withholding federal funds from any facility that provides abortions. She has called the Affordable Care Act a failure. She made it more difficult to obtain coverage during open enrollment. And she asked taxpayers to reimburse her after she lost her Ivanka Trump pendant. While you were struggling on Medicare, she was billing taxpayers $380 per hour for her travel entourage and staying in $500 a night hotels. After her departure from government, she stated that she has no regrets for any of the actions she did. Now ask yourself, what is Dr. Oz going to do in this position?